we have an opportunity open up right here, and we are going to learn how to create a formula field on this opportunity. So if we scroll down, we can see that we have two fields, amount and service fee. So the amount is $235,000 US. Service fee is $2,000. So now I want Salesforce to auto calculate the total sum of the amount plus the service fee and show me the total amount in one place. So I want that calculation to happen automatically, and that's something we do using formula fields. How do we create one? Simply click on the gear icon to go into setup, click on Object Manager, and from here you can search for opportunities and click on opportunity, click on fields and relationships, and click new. Over here, we will choose formula because we want to create a formula field. And then we will click next. Then you have to give it a name and a label. I'm simply going to say total amount. And you have to choose what kind of value will this formula hold. So obviously, in our case, we're summing up two currencies. So obviously, the returning value is also going to be a currency. So the sum, once we sum it up, what is it going to hold? It's going to hold a currency value. So we're going to choose currency. We scroll down. We have an option how many decimal places we'd like. For now, I'm just going to say 0. And we're going to click next. And this is our formula box. So we have two options, simple and advanced. Generally, it's recommended to only use the advanced box since it gives you more options. So you can click on the advanced box to ensure that you have all the advanced formula options. Now over here, I want to sum up two fields. The first field was amount. So I need to fetch that field. I will do that by clicking Insert Field. And over here, I can see all fields for the opportunity. And from here, I'll fetch amount. And I will say Insert. Then I will say Insert Operator. What do I want to do? I want to sum up the amount and the service fee. So I want to add them. But I have a lot of other options like subtract, multiply, divide, and concatenate, and a lot of other options over here. But for now, we're just going to focus on add because we want to sum it up. So we're going to click add. And then we're going to now fetch our service fee field, right? Because that holds our service fee. So I'm going to click insert field again. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find service fee right here. Click insert. That's our formula. So whatever field or whatever value is in my amount field plus whatever value is in my service fee field. So let's scroll down, click on check syntax to confirm that there are no errors in the formula we've written. No errors, it's all green. That means we're good. I will click next, and I will keep clicking next until I can hit save. Save. That's how we create a formula field in Salesforce. Now we can verify that by going here and refreshing. Now, if we scroll down, we will notice a third field which has been added, total amount. This is our formula field. This sums up 235,000 plus 2,000 to show us a total of $237,000. And if you notice, this field does not have a pencil icon next to it, which means we cannot edit this field since this is calculated automatically. That's how formula fields work in Salesforce.